All right, today I'm going to show you how to wash pillows. And right here, I have my pillows down here, and then I have my washing machine right here. It's a front-loading washing machine. If you have a front-loading washing machine, you're in luck because, in my opinion, they wash pillows a lot better than the top-loading washing machine. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the pillows in there and wash them. But before I put them in there, I'm going to have to add the detergents that I need to wash in. So when I'm washing pillows, I use a couple of things. I have detergent and then also have OxiClean. I like OxiClean because the pillows are against the face and they absorb a lot of oils and all dirt and stuff, and I want them to be super clean. So I choose to use OxiClean. Right here is OxiClean. Right here is versatile stain remover. It is free of dye and free of perfume, which is exactly what I want. I don't want my pillows smelling like anything other than pillow, whatever that's supposed to smell like. So let's get started. So I'm going to first add the OxiClean to the drum. All right. So add that to the drum right at the bottom. It's important to do that. And then after I added the OxiClean, I'm going to add Tide. And right here I have Tide Pods, free and gentle. Again, this is scent free. I do not like scents on my pillows. So that's the reason why I got Tide Pods free and gentle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the pods. And when I add the pods, it recommends, okay, for small, you use one pod. Small to medium, you use one pod. Large, extra large, two pods. And extra, extra large, three pods. The two pillows, I'm just going to do two pods, okay? And I'm going to add this to it. Maybe two pods, maybe a little bit too much, but I have a feature on my wash machine that can help alleviate that. All right, so I'm going to add these pods to the washing machine. And then I'm going to add the pillows, all right? So it's important to take the pillowcases off the pillows. Now, whether you wash the pillowcases with the pillows, that's entirely up to you. These are raggedy. I don't mind if they get faded or anything else like that. They're probably going to get thrown away pretty soon. So I'm going to add the pillowcases to it. All right. I would suggest if you have nice pillowcases, you do not do this. All right. So I'm going to add this to the washing machine. Okay. Both of the pillows into the washing machine. If you have more than two pillows, I recommend probably doing a couple of loads and not just shoving them all in there. But I have two pillows. I think my washing machine can handle it. So I have them in there. I'm going to go ahead and shut it, and then I'm going to select my options of how to wash. Now, normally, if I didn't have this particular washing machine, I would probably do a heavy setting, all right, a heavy setting under the hottest temperature for me. Some people may recommend using warm because hot does deteriorate the materials a little bit faster. So if you're concerned about that, use a warm temperature or even cool for that matter. Fast, heavy, and extra rinse. But since I have this washing machine, I'm actually going to do sandy rinse, which with Oxy, okay, I add Oxy in there, and it's supposed to clean it. So that's just a feature that this washing machine has. But if you don't have that, just make sure that you use a warm setting. But I use a hot because I want them super clean, fast, okay, so the water, fast spin, this is the spin mode, so that the water is drained from the pillows, and which means less drying time. I'm going to do heavy, all right? It's a heavy wash because I want them super clean. They're older pillows. If they were newer, I would use a light or normal, but since they're older, I'm going to use heavy. And the extra rinse to get rid of that, detergent. I want all the detergent out. And so once I select that, I'm just going to go over here and press start. But since I'm going to step out a little bit and I want the wash to be done as soon as I get home, I'm actually going to do the delay feature. That's something that I have on this particular washing machine. So I'm going to do the delay feature for maybe about 3 hours or so like that before it starts to wash. But like once you have all the settings, go ahead and press start. And that's how you wash. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to dry them as well. Thanks a lot. All right. This is done. The pillows are done. They are completely washed. And now I'm going to put it in the dryer. So I'm going to open up the dryer. See, the dryer is empty. And what I'm going to do, I have this tennis ball. You see this tennis ball? I'm just going to toss that in there. Now, the tennis ball is going to help beat the pillows, enable them to be fluffier when it's done. All right, so I'm going to take the pillows, and I'm going to place the pillow in here. And I place the pillows in here a little bit differently so the pillows don't come just, not entangled, but synchronize in there. So I place one pillow like this, vertical, and the other one horizontal, with the ball in there, and it's just gonna, beat up all around there. And so once I have that in there, I'm just gonna go ahead and shut this. All right, and then I'm going to come up here and I'm gonna go to bulky. All right, I'm gonna switch it to bulky. All right, and then there are the settings right here. It says medium heat, okay, because it's gonna take a while. You don't want it too hot. Dryness level more, wrinkle shield off. And then what I'm going to do right here is I am just going to go ahead and press this and dry the pillows. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.